Have you ever thought about starting your own vegetable garden but didn't know where to begin? Imagine the joy of harvesting your own fresh veggies. We're about to embark on a journey, a step-by-step guide to growing your own garden. Well, you're in the right place to learn how to grow your own veggies from scratch. First things first, you need to pick the right spot for your vegetable garden. Sunlight is your garden's best friend, so find a location that basks in its glow for at least 6 hours a day. Good, nutrient-rich soil is a must, and easy access to water is essential. When deciding on the size of your garden, consider your time, energy, and resources. It's not a race, folks. Remember, it's better to start small and expand later than to bite off more than you can chew right off the bat. Now, it's time to decide what you want to grow. The key is to choose vegetables that thrive in your local climate and the current season. For instance, leafy greens like spinach and kale do well in cooler climates, while tomatoes and peppers prefer the heat. If you're just starting out, consider easy-to-grow vegetables such as radishes or zucchinis. But remember, the most important factor is your personal taste. Don't forget to consider your personal preferences. After all, the goal is to enjoy the fruits or vegetables of your labor. Once you've made your choice, it's time to get your hands dirty. Start by digging a hole twice the depth of your vegetable's root ball. Gently place the plant in the hole and cover it with soil. Remember that different vegetables have different watering needs, so make sure to research this. Regular weeding is crucial to prevent competition for nutrients. And don't forget, pest control is a must to protect your precious greens. Keep in mind, patience is key. It may take some time, but the reward will be worth it. And that's it. You're well on your way to starting your own vegetable garden. From mastering the basics to choosing your veggies and learning about planting and maintenance, you're set to give it a try. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.